Samsung Admire disassembly video. Everything you need is shown here. Phillips head screwdriver, picks, and the Admire. First step, you got to take off the back of the phone. Take the battery out. And make sure the memory card is out of the phone. And there's 6 screws you'll have to remove. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, what's the password for the prepaid company? UD wireless? For the prepaid reports?
Then you have to find the seam on the phone, which runs right here along the buttons, and use your pick to get under there. Run the pick underneath the plastic all the way around the phone. Second step, make sure you take the buttons and you have to peel this carefully away from the circuit board. Careful not to damage the flex cable itself. Then you need to find this and pop it off of there. That's for the microphone port. On this, there's little plastic clips on the sides that actually hold the phone in place. Pull it back a little. On the side with the volume keys and lift up. And there'll be 2 flex cables on the bottom half of the circuit board. Now for full disassembly, you have to pull that plastic piece back again and pull up on this shield. Careful again not to break your flex cable. Do the same thing on the other side. And on the bottom.
Can I take a few minutes to figure it out? Is this the only store that has that? Hey, this is for there's Jacko that we make class.
And now to take the LCD out. I'm going to take a thin pick and you need to pop this little bracket up so that you can pull the flex cable out from the digitizer. Wedge it underneath and gently work it out of there. That would be the full disassembly of a Samsung Admire by Metro.